Every single thing you need to explain.
Okay, so what we got going on is we're making toasties right now. So,
explain to them what a toasty is.
Oh, a toasty
in general
is using this fabulous mechanism here. It heats bread and toasts it, I guess. Toasts the contents, and then it makes a toasty. But
an American may call it a panini, but it's not.
That's a good. Okay.
Don't.
I'm joined today with Jack Sparrow.
Look at that.
Yes, our
guest today, Captain Jack Sparrow. Let's just get the little. We'll just get the close.
Oh, yeah. She got all that.
She got the hat. She got the feather on top to add. She got the eyeshadow. Close the eyes. Close the eyes. Never had to pop off like that.
She just missed.
We're not done yet. We're not done yet.
Yeah.
We're midway.
It's a progress.
Yeah.
But
trust the process.
Need the bread, obviously. Unfortunately, someone's gonna get the knob end, but you know, we are not a wasteful society.
Okay, so that's step one.
That is step one.
Okay.
That is step one.
Step one.
Bread.
We like to butter it nice and evenly, you know, get to the edges. You know, make sure it's all, you know, buttered. You can see it's two nice, very evenly buttered slices of bread, okay? So what we go with next is, of course, the provolone. Some nice fake cheese. Look at that. Oh,
That's that supreme.
that's that supreme plastic cheese.
Step three.
Right there.
Step
That's
three.
that. Then what we go for today, we got the honey ham.
Sponsored by. What's the brand?
Hillshire Farm.
Go meat.
So what we then do is
We manhandle
the meat. We try not to caress it too much, you know. We like hygiene somewhat.
Make sure
in
you
a way.
touch every piece in the thing.
Let's not do that. Don't play with your food, children. Obviously, you can use any kind. You can use a bit of turkey if you're feeling turkey, but you know, we like a bit of hams. Next up, step 4, the spinach. Gotta get some greens in there, you know.
All health.
Health. A little bit of health.
Oh, I gotta go class.
Collage of spinach.
It's a good way to put it.
And then put a little stem there. Just a little bit of summit.
So dramatic.
Hellman's real mayonnaise. We don't do fake mayonnaise in this bitch, okay?
If that's real mayo, why is my cheese fake?
Okay, so then up to like if you want to spice it up a bit more or not. So for me,
Oh. Okay.
bit of classico basil pesto of Italian. Italian. So we kind of make a B-Tech pesto mayo by doing this.
Tell them what B-Tech means. They need the.
B-Tech is like
Store-bought version.
Store-bought variation, I guess. That's what Erin always says is the translation. I recommend you using that word because it's just a fun little word to drop in here and there, you know. Sorry, I'm just really touching up the pesto, but you know what I'm gonna do? Because we're recording it, I'm gonna mix it up a bit as well, just to look at that.
Not the swirls.
Oh, really get it in there.
It's giving me like Irish vibes right now.
No, it is. It's really shamrock.
Turn your light on. Turn your light on.
It's shamrock. Then you close it.
Close it.
Make sure
Need
it's
to close
closed.
it.
Shit, I just flicked pesto at you. And the magic is in the electricity, okay? So you plug it in. Got to let the engine heat up a little bit, you know, get itself revving a little bit. But these beauties in that beauty.
Step up.
Oh!
Not. I got the. That's. It's alright. It's in the plastic. It's alright. Don't think we're not nasty. I promise.
Lay the beauties in. We like to do it at a bit of an angle because they fit in perfectly like that.
And you see, we got the cutouts. It basically cuts it for
I
you.
mean, look at that. The cutouts.
It gives you the print.
The cutouts cut it out, and then what we do?
And then this is the best part. Watch this.
Watch this. We gotta squeeze, push it down,
Push it down and
clamp
boom.
it shut. Done.
Couple minutes and then.
Let it smoke up a bit.
Yeah.
Sorted. After it reaches the point of sizzle, listen to it. Release the beauties.
Woo!
There you
There
have
are your
it.
toasties, but we're not done yet.
We ain't done yet.
We're not done yet.
There's no sandwich.
If you don't have chips and pickles with your sandwich, just throw the sandwich away.
There's no point. Don't even eat
There's
that
absolutely no point.
shit. Do not even eat that shit. Alright, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get some couple. Oh, we didn't even have a lot left. So
I thought I got more. Oh, maybe I didn't. Okay,
No.
it's fine.
Alright. We do this. That's a step, whatever you want it to be. Woo! We got a little one trying to escape, and it's kind of B-Tech.
Best part. But you need to get kosher dill. Yeah, kosher dill only.
Kevin likes Polish dill. Is that weird? It's because he's Polish.
Pause.
He's Polak.
Pause. Okay.
What?
I'm glad Kevin likes Polish still.
What's wrong with Polish dill?
And there
There we go.
we have a perfect plate.
Ladies and gentlemen, How to Make a Toasty 101 featuring Anna Popovich. You saw it here first, featuring Captain Jack Sparrow.
Now Joe.
Incognito, now Joe from you.
Thanks for watching, everyone. I can't do that.
Subscribe.